Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're clearing up a common English mistake, much versus many. Are you ever confused about when to use much and when to use many? Don't worry, you're not alone. First, let's talk about many. Use many with countable nouns, things you can count individually. For example, I have many apples, or there are many books on the shelf. Now, much is used with uncountable nouns, things you can't count individually. For instance, I don't have much water, or she needs much more information. Remember, many for things you can count and much for things you can't. Now let's put it into practice. She has many pencils in her drawer. I need much butter for this recipe. There are many people at the concert. We don't have much time to waste. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more such video. Take care. Goodbye for now.